cast on for you. How many stitches would you like? What do you knit in, Janet? Squares. Oh yes, they're making squares.
Every Friday we have sewing for the sewing ladies and the knitting ladies. At the moment they're doing the blankets for the animal shelter. So they're doing the squares and then they'll stitch it together and we'll do blankets for any animal shelter that's close by to support them, and the ladies, they do love it a lot to do that, yes. One of our ladies, she's 97 years old, her name is Gwinïo. She used to do sewing for fun. Yeah. So they brought all her stuff in with the sewing machine. We're using it at the moment.
I worked at Llesiant as a carer and then I went as a laundry. I was working here for 10 years. I enjoyed doing activities with them. And I was just about retiring and one of the ladies, residents, came in and she had a sewing machine and she wanted to use it, and I can use a sewing machine. So I decided to give up my time and come in for doing knitting. I like knitting and I like crocheting, and a lot of them like doing it as well. So then I decided to do knitting one week and sewing another week with them. There's the seam there and there. So if we put this and put it, say, under, and then sew. So I do a little bit and then use it. Yeah. There are about 4 of them who can use the sewing machine, and they have had a risk assessment how to use a sewing machine. 2 of them are seams mistresses in years ago before, in the younger days. They are still using their hands, and they are talking, when I have it in Penderyn with them, they come in from other units, so they are meeting other people as well, other residents, and a lot of them know each other then through there. They used to do seams mistresses before, and it's nice that they are showing me what to do as well.
It's a memory. It's something they used to do, and it's something they can track back and think of, oh, I've done it. Although some of them has dementia, but it comes back when they sit with the sewing or knitting, because it's a childhood memory and it's something that they enjoy.
Yeah, well, I sew and knit.
Yeah.
I mean, I used to knit all the wool to my 3 children. We went on holidays at one time to Canada, and we knew it was cold there, you know. And I don't know if you know Aaron. It's thicker wool. Yeah. And the 5 of us all had, and everybody was stopping and saying, oh, how lovely. You know?
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
So on every second Friday, we have mini disco with John. He is 88 years old, he lives in Neath, and he does this for free for all the care homes.
So you're playing records this afternoon for the residents?
I am, yes. As you can see, I got all the famous record rolls and all the, you know, Beatles, everything, Tom Jones.
Yeah.
I even got the Beatles, where they crossing the zebra crossing. Abbey Road. I got the Abbey Road and whatever they played. Everything you think of. I even got one record there in brown paper, 15 shillings.
Wow, wow. So do the residents enjoy you playing the music, would you say?
Yes, yes. These ladies here, they were all dancing. I go dancing with them, you know, and this and that. They're probably all fantastic dancers, and they're wonderful, you know. And they got memories which I like to sit down and discuss their lives, you know.
Yeah.
And, you know, I kind of person who wants to please people, you know.
Baby, come back. Baby, come back. Baby, come back.
It's therapeutic for them because it's all 19, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 music, and they dance to it and they know the words. The most amazing part for me is that they know the lyrics of all the songs, because it's a memory that's coming back again, and it's therapeutic.
So, Elsie, did you enjoy the dancing this afternoon?
Yes, I haven't done it for a while. No, as I say, I used to do it quite a long time, and then it's probably months now I haven't done it, and yes, I didn't mind at all.
Yeah. How does it make you feel?
I'm just happy and gay, you know,
Yeah.
more or less, yes.
What's your favourite type of dance then?
Oh, I don't really know, really.
Something fast or...
Something with a bit of rhythm in it, you know, I think.
What's your favourite song?
Oh, I don't know.
Can you remember your favourite song?
Not really, not at the moment.
That Salome always plays for you?
You always play for me.
My Way.
Oh, I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, and then again, too few to mention.
So I just wanted to know what you thought about the disco. Did you enjoy it?
Very much, yes.
Yeah.
Look forward to him coming every other Friday, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And I like watching them dancing, because the dancing I used to do is not available to me now anymore.
Yeah, yeah.
And when I was young, I was in a concert party, kicking my leg up as far as it would go.
Wow.
And when Madam Joseph James, I mean, I'm going back to the 40s now, and she'd go anywhere for money, okay? And I was always the girl, and my partner was always dressed as the boy, you know. But I used to love to kick my leg up. And she used to do the asylums down in Bridgend as well. They're not there anymore. And I remember when I'd kicked it up so far, I fell on my ass, and they all stood up laughing and cracking. Oh dear.
2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock.
What about the movement? Do you think the movement is available?
It does good. Yeah.
Does good, yeah.
Shake
Brilliant.
it all about, and then can't do anything else with it.
Absolutely. Who's your favourite singer then? What's your favourite music?
Oh, and I go back to Matt Monroe and, you know, those people, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why should their life stop because they're in a care home? They need to enjoy their remaining years, and my aim is to make it happen, you see, just to enjoy life, you see. Yeah.
The record shows I took the flows, did it my way. Well done, that was an up and a down.